The belching competition. How long can you belch for? We've got Russell here. Who is going to try and belch for us? Russell, do you have much experience with belching?
Never.
Get a little beer in ya. Do what you got to do to get the belch up. Ladies and gentlemen, stand back. Be careful. This is professional belching here. So go ahead and drink that beer. When you're ready, you tell me, and I will start the stopwatch. That's pre-belch. You give me a signal, and I will start this. Let me say that one more time. 17.32 seconds was the burp. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Russell?
Yes.
Amazing.
Thank you, my friend.
17.